In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your Rocket League is crashing or crashing on startup. Okay, for the first time we go into the search bar and here we look for the task manager. So click on this and here we see our memory and CPU usage, and if this is too high we have to lower this because it causes crashes. So what we can do is to right click on programs we don't need right now and then click on end task, so the program will fully close and will lower your CPU and memory usage. After that you can click on sound video on startup apps, and here we have some apps which start directly when we turn on our PC, and this is not what we want. What we can do is right click on these specific apps and then disable it. Okay, after that I have a tip for NVIDIA graphic card users. Download the NVIDIA app. In the NVIDIA app you can easily install the best and newest GeForce Game Ready driver for your graphic card, which is really important for gaming. For all AMD graphic card users, you have to go in the internet, type in your graphic card, and then you will also find the best driver software. Okay, for the next we go into the search bar and here we look for where is it, for the task for the device manager. So type in device manager, then you will find it, and here we close all this and then open disk drives, display adapters and processors. Here's your graphic card. If you don't know it before, what we can do here is right click on it, update drivers, search automatically for drivers, and we have already installed the best drivers. And we do this with all display adapters, all disk drives and all processors. And after that we can also go on sound, video and game controller, and here we have Realtek audio or Realtek high definition audio, something like that. Right click on it and then disable the device. If you have sound problems after that, no problem, you can also enable it again. And after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.